Hi guys, today I am going to be spying. Me and my friend, that's not here right now, I'm going to go get her. And me and my friend are going to spy on my sister and brother. And maybe two friends will come over and they'll ask them. Voila. Yeah, so I'm getting this. I'm getting something, okay? And don't come over here because all the bees will get us. Ow! Freak. Cat, get out here. Here, just leave it open the whole time. He'll come out. See, he's out. He's gonna be out. No. Jeez. No. Crocodile. There's a green thing right under that plastic. It's like, Kwame! I get so scared. Maybe I just gotta get it. Jeez. Darn it, I can't. Hold on, guys. It's right there. Kwame! Hold the phone. Hold the camera.
I can't do it right
now. Guys, I got it. Look, I got it. Yes. I just gotta get out before all the bees get me. Because there's a lot of bees up there. So, yeah, I better get out of my shed before anything happens with the spiders. And, yeah. Right there. It's closing. Now, I got my green tarp thing. And let's lay it out. Then let's say like very flattish, like right about here. So like that. And it's already been 2 minutes, so oh well. Now let's lay this out. Hold on, guys. This is super hard. Ugh. Trying to get this out, lay this out, and just won't lay it out. So now, oh yeah, this is the smallest thing I've ever seen my whole entire life. Yeah, it's small, but it could fit for one of my rooms for my house. Go find my mom's house. Okay, now let's get my tent. I'm in my bed. Making a new house, guys. Okay. Take that big tent right there. Just need to get it for now on my bed. So this is gonna be great. Hurting myself. Okay. First, gotta lay this out. Sorry, guys. What's wrong? Wait, I'm not gonna be able to fit this in the door. Oh no. This is gonna be a tough one today, guys. And today I'm going to a hotel. So I really don't know what to do now. After I have to put all this stuff back. Guys, this is super hard. Look, this is the tent I'm getting. Here is the tent. Now I just gotta get it out of my room. Okay, now I just gotta get it out of the house now. Okay, this is very hard because like everything's gonna be a mess if I drop something, glass or anything. But at least I'm getting tent set up with you guys. So comment down below what I should do after I'm done with this tent. Should I keep it out? No, that's not one of the options now. Okay. Let's open the door. Sorry guys if I'm ruining you.